This is our old A-frame, and we're going to put it inside the tunnel so I can grow some plants. So we kept that outside, so it's now going to go to the tunnel. So we've brought it inside of the tunnel, little tunnel. The two sides. How long is it, Mark? About 125?
How long? What?
The width. I think they're about 125. We're just using some old wood we've got. And then I can put my plants on there. It's an A-frame to help support it. See, on this side I've just got an oblong one. But you can't store very many plants on it, so Mark's having to think.
We can put a diagonal on, don't we?
So explain where we get the wood from, Mark.
So we get the wood free. It's pallet wood from a guy who is a steel fabricator. He buys in steel, so his pallets that the steel arrives in has got to be pretty strong. So his actual pallets, instead of a conventional pallet with a plank this wide, his pallets are made from 3 inch by 2 inch wood.
And you've cut this to...
I've just cut these down.
Okay.
These 3 inch by 2 inch pieces down.
We get them for free.
Yeah, free. We give them a packet of biscuits and we get ad lib wood.
So if some people might be thinking this is expensive, but
no.
There's always people willing to give away pallets and
biscuits.
For biscuits, or no biscuits sometimes. So, but yeah. So he's put a diagonal there, which is just a pallet wood piece of wood, and one on that side, so it gives it more stability. We're going to add now some more slats for the whole stand, but now it's sort of, you can see it's very solid. So the bottom shelf has been done, half of the middle shelf, and now the top. These are pallet planks. So this is the end part of it. 3 shelves. So on these A-frames, we made the A-frames several years ago, and we weren't going to the other person where we get now the bigger wood from, so we actually just Mark used pallet wood, just the planks, and he put 2 together. You can see the 2 together to make the legs of the A-frame. Just shows you can use any old rubbish wood. Well, a lot of pallets always get thrown away, and make something useful from it. What's your thought, Reggie? Reggie? Huh? Do you like it? You could sleep on there, couldn't you? There's my first 3 trays. I've got lettuce in this one. I've got pink and mixed coloured chard in this one. And the radishes, they're already sprouting. You can see them sprouting. And then red onions to go out at some point. So it gives me a lot more room, because I'm trying to, this isn't a big space. And this is my tomatoes. I've got some more inside growing. But these are tomato Cherokee purple. Let's just shove that, put that in the right place. And this one is banana leg. And this one here, sorry about that, is noix de crème, which is, don't know, thought they sounded cool. Trying to remember if they. And here's my peppers and chilies. Trouble with many things, you can tell the difference. Peppers and chilies you can't. It's literally keep the label. What's this one? This is chilies on this one, because the label tells me. And this one is the normal peppers. So I'm going to pot them up. Say this one is just getting true leaves. That's the inside leaves here. And when they get inside the true leaves, you can transplant them. These have only, they're just starting to get the true leaves, so I'll leave them a bit longer. But yeah, just want to show you how useful this is for space saving. You know, I can go high rather than out all over the floor. I've got a little bit tunnel left my compost to do a bit more work.